Good morning, Drift Dads. Are you looking for the perfect everyday carry pistol that blends Glock's legendary reliability with modern upgrades? So here it is. Say hello to the Glock 43X MOS. So today, we will be unboxing one of the most sought after handguns in the concealed carry world. And by the end of this video, you're going to want one of these in your holster. So let's open it up. And right out of the box, Glock gives you everything you need. So here it is. Two magazines with 10 rounds. This iconic pushers, orange pushers. There. Then it's your cleaning brush. Forget where I put my rod. Oh, there it is. Cleaning rods that goes with it. And by the way, I installed a mag release extension for this since the stock mag well is kinda bit off. But installing this makes a world of difference. See, it's very flush. And of course, let's not forget the paperwork. And I think in the Canada and US versions, they have that plastic lock, I think. But in Asian and Southeast Asian regions, they don't have it. So let's pull up the paperwork. So there goes your Glock manual in most general languages like French, German, English, and it's my receipt from my gun shop. So I think it's one of the best concealed carry pistols around versus the SIG, in my own opinion only. So let's check. First off, let's see if it is loaded. It's not one of the most sophisticated or the most advanced mechanism, but it's the most reliable, I think. So we got our springs in there. I might have to upgrade this rod because I think it's made of polymer. I think I might as well upgrade this to tungsten rod. to make sure. I really love this magwell extension. It's for the grip, because on the stock magwell, I think it's very short, so I accessorized it with magwell extension for a more better grip. So I also bought some accessories. So in our next video, we'll be reviewing it as well. So you'll just have a sneak peek for it. So the first thing I bought is this blue top Glock 43X specific holster. So it's in waistband holster. It's very flush to the unit. And before I forget, it also has a speed loader. I also bought some accessories here. So you'll have these fiber optic sights. This one for the front sights. I don't wanna buy some red dot this early. I want to break this in before pulling off for another expense on red dot sights. So I'll have to stick with these iron sights first. So I'll be reviewing this when it will be installed on the unit, and then let's check if it works well with this unit. I also bought some snap caps for practice shoot on your bedroom, or some dry firing in your bedroom. But be cautious, because as the golden rule says, treat the gun as if it is always loaded, since, as we all know, this Glock has no safety features except for the trigger safety. So I bought some 3 snap caps for dry firing, and make sure, since I have kids here, always safety first. So I guess that's it. The only thing I added to this unit is the magwell extension, since with this magwell extension, I think I can grip the unit like a glove compared to no magwell extension. So let's check first. Break this in a few weeks if the gun ban will be lifted in a few days now. So see you again next time.